Hello friends, so in today's video we will dive into the Power Apps Copilot interview questions to help you prepare for your next big opportunity. So whether you are a beginner or you are experienced professional, these questions and tips will definitely help you for making you succeed. So here what we will cover. So here we will cover the introduction to the Power Apps Copilot role, overview and responsibility of the skills, whatever skill is required for that one, the common interview question that asks for the Copilot. We will provide a detailed explanation and the sample answers for this one, okay. And we will also focus on the key area that you need to do more focus, including the practical examples, behavioral questions, so, preparing for an interview can be a daunting, I understand, but with the right guidance, you can approach it with confidence. So, watch the full video to learn more and boost your chances and landing your dream job as a Power Apps co-pilot. So, if you found this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more career advice and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or tips, then just drop them into the comments below. We would like to hear from you. So let's start our journey. So this is the first question. What is Power Apps Copilot? So Power Apps Copilot is an AI powered assistant with the Power Apps that help you understand, create, modify and enhance the apps using the natural language processing. Next question is, how does Power Apps Copilot assist in app development? So Power Apps Copilot assists by suggesting the app component. It generates the code snippet for you. It provides a design recommendation and it answers all the query that is related to the app development. Third question is, what is the benefit of the Power Apps Copilot? So there are so many benefits, but here we have listed some benefit. So first benefit will be that it definitely increase the productivity. It reduces the development time. It is easier to learn for the beginners, and it improves the app quality through the intelligent suggestions. So it gives the suggestion to you. Here next question can be asked, can you give examples of tasks Power App Copilot can perform? So you can give the answer. Power Apps Copilot can help create the new form. It suggests appropriate data source and it automatically generates the necessary file based on the input of the user. How do you activate Power Apps Copilot in an app? So Power Apps Copilot is typically activated through the Power Apps interface by just clicking a dedicated Copilot icon. So if you open the Power App, you will be able to see a icon that is with the name of the Copilot. And you can also utilize some specific command within the app to open the Copilot. How does Power Apps Copilot integrate with data sources? So Power Apps Copilot can suggest and it help to connect with the various data sources like SQL Server, SharePoint, Excel, Dataverse, and it automate the connection process. Can Power Apps Copilot help you with the app debugging? So can we do debugging there? Yeah, we can do debug the code. Power Apps Copilot can assist you to identifying and fixing the errors by providing diagnostic suggestions, and it also suggests a potential solution to you. What language does Power Apps Copilot support? So Power Apps Copilot primarily support English, but support for other language will definitely will come with the future updates from the Microsoft. How does Power Apps Copilot handle security and data privacy? So Power Apps Copilot follow Microsoft security and compliance standards. It ensures data privacy and it secures the handling of the information within the apps. Next question is, can Power Apps Copilot help with integrating third party API? So yeah, you can integrate the third party API with the Copilot. So Power Apps Copilot basically suggests and help to configure the connections to the third party API. It streamlines the complete integration process. How do you start creating an app using the Power Apps Copilot? So you can start by just describing the app you want to create in natural language, and Copilot will help the basic app structure, whatever description you have provided to them. Can you customize suggestion made by the Power Apps Copilot? Yeah, so you can do customize there. So user can accept, modify or reject the suggestion, means whatever Copilot will suggesting you. Okay, so either you can accept, modify or reject the suggestion provided by the Copilot, and it will be work accordingly the your specific needs. How does Power Apps Copilot improve user experience? So by providing the intelligent recommendation and automate the repetitive task, Copilot enhance the user experience. It makes the app development more intuitive and efficient. Can Power Apps Copilot assist in creating responsive design? Yes, it helps us to create the responsive design. Copilot can suggest design elements, layouts that are responsive, and it ensures that it works fine, and it also works very well on the different type of devices. How does Power Apps Copilot handle the version control? Power Apps Copilot integrate with the version control feature within the Power App by helping the user manage and track the changes of their apps. What AI technology Power Apps Copilot? So Power Apps Copilot basically leverages the natural language processing, that is also called NLP, and machine learning technology. Machine learning is also called ML. That is will be easily understand the user input, and it provide the relevant suggestions to you. How does Power Apps Copilot learn from user interactions? So Copilot basically uses the machine learning algorithm that adopt based on the user interaction and the feedback, and it improve the suggestions time by time. Can Power Apps Copilot be used by the non-developer? Yeah, definitely. Non-developer can also use the Power Apps Copilot. So Power Apps Copilot is designed to be user friendly and can be used by the individuals with little and no coding experience. So if you don't have the coding experience, but still you can utilize the Copilot for designing the forms, etc. How does Power Apps Copilot handle complex business logic? So Copilot can suggest and generate the code snippet for complex business logic, which the end user can review and customize as per their need. What are the some limitations of the Power Apps Copilot? So there is always limitations associated with each tool. So some limitations include the dependency on the accuracy of natural language input, and potential need for manual adjustment, and the current support primarily for the English. Yeah, so currently it is only supporting the English language, and in future it will support the multiple language, it is expected. Describe a scenario where Power Apps Copilot significantly reduce the development time. So here you need to define a scenario. So in a scenario where a user needed to create a customer feedback app, Copilot quickly generate the necessary form, and it connect to the data source and provide the layout suggestions, and definitely it will reduce your development time. So Copilot here help you for designing this app. How do you handle a situation where Power Apps Copilot suggestions are not accurate? So suppose Copilot has given the suggestions, but it doesn't seem accurate to you. Then how you will handle these situations? So I would manually adjust the suggestions, provide feedback to Copilot, and utilize my understanding of the Power Apps to complete the task accurately. So here you need to take the help of Copilot at some level, and you also need to utilize your skills at some extent. Can Power Apps Copilot be used for the app maintenance? Yeah. Copilot can assist in maintaining the app by suggesting updates, identifying and obsolete components, and helping with the debugging things. How can Power Apps Copilot assist in user training? So Copilot can provide step-by-step guidance, answer user queries, and offer tips. It making it easier for the new users to learn and use Power Apps effectively. This is last question. What future enhancement do you expect for the Power Apps Copilot? So future enhancement might include the support for the more language because currently it is only supporting the English language. Improved accuracy of suggestions. Suggestions should be much accurate. And the deeper integration with the other Microsoft services and enhanced customization options. So thank you friends for watching this video. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit an like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And your engagement will definitely help us to grow and create more exciting video for you. I appreciate each and every one of our subscribers. So until next time, take care and stay learning. Thank you.